Okay everybody, happy Thursday, greetings from the workshop. And do you know that I'm a magician? It's true. If I say the magic word, I can make a wall disappear. Shazam! There's the magic word and the wall is gone. If you recall, yesterday there was a wall here. Today, no wall. As mentioned, the plan is to pop a shower in this area and sort of one of these things, a laundry trough, big stainless steel washing bucket basically, so we can wash all the greasy bits there. Good thing is that we've got existing 1/2 inch copper here using old money, or 12mm or whatever it is. We're going to resheet the roof, so this existing copper will get chopped off just north of the roof. This light and that light will become one light with a fan extractor, possibly on 2 switches, so one does the lights, one does the extractor. And then obviously with this being 2 different heights, because they weren't concerned about the 2 different heights of this piece of wood, we will fix that, make it one height, and then put a nice shiny new piece of gyprock over the top of this, nail it back in, rerun the electrics. We'll have the light switches probably right here, and this is obviously where the partition wall was. And we will put some nice conduit up, have it all professional and looking lovely. So there you go. That's the update for today. Fairly big task, I mean, there's quite a bit to it. The door frame is down here. So that is a DIY cut to fit door frame, as they did back in the day. It's made out of steel. This is what's left of the wall, so that's all neatly chipped apart, ready for somebody to use in a recycled project. So upcycling these Besser blocks, there's nothing wrong with them. I demolished the wall very, very carefully with a hammer drill, so there's no broken big ones, and all the half-size ones are all the staggered bits that you need to create a wall. So if anybody's interested, pick up in West Gosford, outside Unit 2 at 188 Mans Road, West Gosford, so come and grab those. But I am very pleased with how this turned out. A little bit more to go, a little bit of electrical work, a little bit of plumbing work, including saw cutting a waste from here to the shower drain, which the plumber will do, that's fine. As I say, rerouting this copper, pulling it back, sticking in a new ceiling and leveling up these beams so everything's flat and plumb and true, which won't be a big deal. And then weirdly, removing all this extra timber, that's just loose timber that's sitting on top here, so don't know why that is, but anyway, there you go. So that's the update for Thursday. Making good progress. I hope that by the time we approve the quotes for the shower and the plumbing work, we should have that all installed next week, or worst case will be the 2nd week in April, which is good, and that will include shower, laundry trough in here, plus those concrete works. And then on this side will include a new wall mounted basin and new loo to replace the antiques that are here at the moment. And that's it for all of this, other than paint. And again, updating these fixtures. So that'll be a fan light combo. That'll be a light, for obvious reasons, that's a toilet. Replace this switch with something modern and shiny, and off she goes. And then we're completely done. The plan is that's going to be replaced. That 50-litre tank will be replaced by a 210-litre hot water pump system that will be sitting here, and that will tie into a nice 3-phase inverter. Luckily, there is 3-phase right there on the wall. We can change that to 2-phase if we need to for the heat pump, and that will just tie neatly into the switchboard upgrade. I'm still getting quotes on that. Should finalize all those quotes this week, and hopefully have all that work done roughly the same time the plumbers are coming in. So that whole thing's going to go and be replaced with modern and shiny and neat and efficient. Yes. Anyway, pretty good update for a Thursday. So there you go. I'm happy with all that. Sheetrock for the roof, and James Hardy Flex will be ordered tonight, hopefully for delivery over the weekend, or worst case Monday. So we'll have the office walls all sheeted, and it can start being nearly ready for paint. So there you go. that's the update. I will catch you in the next one. I hope you're having as magnificent a day as I am. And I have to say, I think things are moving on quite nicely. So see you in the next video. Cheers, everyone.